Alert boxes are critical in UI and marketing designs, and in this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a powerful warning alert using only custom shapes in Photoshop. Start by creating a new canvas in Photoshop. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a wide rounded rectangle to act as the alert container. Change its fill color to a warning tone like yellow or orange. Now choose a triangle or warning icon shape and place it on the left side of the box, resizing it slightly larger than the text for emphasis. Add alert text next to the icon using the Type tool, keeping the message short and clear. To make the alert pop, duplicate the container shape, place it behind, darken its color, and offset it slightly. Apply a subtle drop shadow to the top layer, then zoom out and preview. The alert box now looks strong, clear, and attention-grabbing.